The JVSCAM Compressed Air Duster stands out with its powerful 150000 RPM brushless motor, delivering wind speeds up to 60 meters per second. This means you get strong, efficient dust removal without the noise or high power consumption typical of other models. Whether it's your keyboard, computer, or car interior, this tool blasts away dust, debris, and hair with ease. What makes this device truly versatile is its 3-in-1 functionality. It's not just an air duster, it doubles as a handheld vacuum cleaner and even works as a storage bag vacuum sealer. So, you can clean hard-to-reach spots, pick up loose particles, and seal bags to save space, all with one compact tool. This simplifies your cleaning routine and reduces the need for multiple gadgets. Equipped with a complete set of accessories, including 2 cleaning brushes, 4 air nozzles, 2 brush heads, and a replacement filter screen, this electric air duster adapts to various cleaning needs. From delicate electronics to narrow crevices, the attachments ensure thorough cleaning without damaging sensitive surfaces. Portability is another highlight. Weighing just 279 grams and measuring 3.6 by 5.3 inches, it fits comfortably in your hand or bag. The cordless design offers up to 120 minutes of continuous use after a quick 3-hour charge, making it ideal for home, office, car, or even outdoor cleaning tasks. Durability and safety come standard with JVSCAM's design. Built with sturdy materials and multiple circuit protections, this air duster guarantees stable performance over time. Plus, the 2-year warranty and 24/7 online customer support give you peace of mind with your purchase. If you're looking for a reliable, multi-purpose cleaning tool that combines power, convenience, and portability, the JVSCAM 3-in-1 electric air duster is worth a look. It's designed to handle dust, debris, and storage needs all in one sleek package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine. With its adjustable wind speeds and versatile attachments, this device offers precise control and effective results wherever you need it. Experience a cleaner workspace, car, or home with less hassle and more efficiency. Invest in the JVSCAM 3-in-1 electric air duster and enjoy a smarter way to clean and organize your space. Its powerful motor, long battery life, and multifunction design make it a practical choice for anyone serious about keeping their environment dust-free and tidy.